Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm doing an eye look with the Phenomena palette from Pink Crush Cosmetics, and any brand that you can find on Etsy. The palette is cardboard packaging with a mirror and magnetic closure. It is a 12-pan palette with 10 duochromes and 2 metallics and retails for $43.95. I tried to capture the duochrome shifts in the swatches. The shadows are beautiful, metallic, shifty, and shiny without a lot of mess. They also wore very well. I really enjoyed working with these shadows, and I loved the look I created. Everything I used on the eyes will be listed below, so let's get started. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.